to show you how to use the Clevertouch software with your laptop connected to the Clevertouch panel. First of all, your laptop and your panel both need to be on the same Wi-Fi. Once they are, and you have downloaded the Clevershare software from the link I sent you, you're going to open the Clevershare software on your laptop, and you're going to want to put a code in here. If the code is already up here, you can use this code. If not, you can go to Present, click on Mirror, and it's going to open the Clevershare app. I'm going to type in that code, and on my laptop, I'm going to click Start Mirroring. Once I'm mirroring, then I can actually manipulate directly from my Clevertouch panel, or I can present from the laptop. I also then have the ability to write over anything. So if I wanted to write or do any type of screenshot, I can do that as well. Anyway, call me if you need more help. Thanks.